For the day, we're looking at a beautiful sunrise right now over Beaver Stadium and Mount Nittany in the background. Just a few high clouds creating a very beautiful scene this morning as you head out the door. We see this line of showers and thunderstorms start to move into western portions of Pennsylvania. If you're hanging around the city tonight, maybe you want to go down to South Philadelphia Citizens Bank Park. The Phillies are back home again, taking on the Washington Nationals after that great win last night against the Yankees. 84 degrees at first pitch at 7:05. It'll feel more like summer, maybe a passing sprinkle. And over the weekend, we're going to be very hot and humid, and that is going to carry over as we head into next week before maybe the chance for showers comes back in on Wednesday for the 4th of July. This is going to be our area for our scattered strong and severe thunderstorms as we head later today. We may see some triple-digit heat values on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. It is a beautiful second half of our week with plentiful sunshine and temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. And then
from the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, I'm Penn State student meteorologist Matthew Yarosewick. Thank you for waking up with the Campus Weather Service on this Wednesday morning, this dreary Wednesday morning as we look live across the valley right now. Penn State buried somewhere down there in the clouds, but as you can see on our Beaver Stadium cam, we can see a few raindrops there on the camera, and at the Westgate building, we can see those sidewalks already wet. We're dealing with some showers moving through central Pennsylvania this morning, and they could persist through today and actually through the next couple of days. But temperatures not so bad out there right now. 41 in State College, 42 up on the lake in Erie, and 54 over in Pittsburgh. That southerly wind beginning to take over and warm Pittsburgh up a bit, and still 52 there over in Philadelphia. As we look at our weather headlines over the next couple of days, we can see wet weather will continue. Today we're already seeing it. It will continue through the weekend. Spring-like temperatures will take hold as we head through the next 7 days. We'll see that at the 7-day forecast. And on Friday night into Saturday, we could see heavier rain and some embedded thunderstorms. So that is also something to watch if you're heading out. So let's put our temperatures in motion for us tonight. Wednesday, 8 o'clock, we're seeing 51 there in State College, 62 over in Pittsburgh. Those warmer temperatures will be up ahead of our cold front that will come with our system moving in this weekend. So we head a little bit farther, you can see those temperatures cooled down overnight tonight, but then as we head into the day tomorrow, that southerly breeze takes over and we're dealing with 70s across the board here, even some high 70s in western parts of Pennsylvania and even eastern Pennsylvania getting into the warmth over there. But again, we'll still be dealing with those shower chances as we head through the day on Thursday. So we head into Friday. This is the day where our storm system will be moving in from the west, and you can still see we're still warmer. 6 a.m. Friday, if you're getting up going to work, maybe make sure you take an umbrella on Friday because it will be raining by the time you leave work. 58 here in State College at that time, over in the 60s in western PA. But then as we head through the day, this is 3 p.m., you can see those warmer temperatures ahead of our cold front there that's draped across eastern parts of Ohio, and that will move our way as we head through the day on Saturday. Really, this is as our storm is moving through the area. We're still left with some showers back this way, but our cold air is wrapping in from the north, and that's what will keep us feeling a little bit chilly back that way. Now, we mentioned our shower chances, and we're dealing with them right now. We saw these on the live camera a few seconds ago, seeing some pockets of heavier rain down here just south of State College here, and then a trail of showers coming off of the lakes. But then if you're not seeing showers, you are seeing just a few clouds hanging around, which isn't too bad of a morning. But our heavier storm system for the weekend right now out here in the Mississippi River Valley, that will be moving our way, will bring us the potential for some heavy rain and even some thunderstorms as we head through Friday and our Easter weekend. Let's time this out for you as we head a little bit farther, dealing with some showers still up in southern parts of New York, even northern parts of Pennsylvania here as we head into tonight. As we go through the day, tomorrow, this is around lunchtime. We could be seeing some breaks in the clouds, get some sunshine from State College on to the west tomorrow, but eastern parts of the state still dealing with some showers tomorrow and even some cloud cover As we head through, though, and into Friday, you can see this shows 7 a.m. on Friday, and here comes our batch of some heavier rain starting to move into the area, and that will persist through the weekend and into our Easter Sunday, unfortunately, for most. So as we move through the day on Friday, you can see this is around noon, 1 o'clock on Friday. State College dealing with some showers, maybe some heavier pockets of rain, and still some heavier rain there off to the west that will be moving our way. And you can see that heavier rain really training here through the eastern parts of the state. That will be our heavier rainfall totals will be from central Pennsylvania on to the east. This is Saturday at 6 a.m. rather. And then as we head through the day and into our Easter Sunday, if you're going out for a Easter egg hunt early in the morning, showers for eastern Pennsylvania, even a few spotty showers. Left for really the entire state, maybe some cloud cover, but rainfall will be the big story as we head through the weekend, and just how much we're looking at. You can already see this is when our storm system begins to move in. This is just after midnight on Saturday. We can still already see over an inch of rain there for parts of central Pennsylvania and even parts of eastern Pennsylvania. And as we head into the day on Sunday, this will be our cumulative rainfall total throughout our storm system from Friday through Sunday. Over 2 inches here in our shades of red, and even still close to an inch or over an inch down over there in eastern parts of Pennsylvania. So heavy rain will be the big story as we head through the weekend. But first, we got to get through today. The chance of showers will linger today. 55 degrees will be your high temperature. Temperatures will be dipping down into the 40s overnight tonight. Still that few light showers around with the calm winds, not making it feel too chilly, but there'll still be a little chill in the air if you're heading out late tonight. Before that southerly breeze takes over tomorrow on Thursday, 68 will be your high temperature. Still spotty showers around, but that southerly breeze will make it feel very good. And when looking at this 7-day forecast heading into Easter weekend, just remember that April showers do bring May flowers, and there's a lot of showers moving through. Today, through the weekend, we're dealing with our showers, our heavier rain there Friday and Saturday. Temperatures, though, in the 60s as we head into the weekend, even a 60-degree temperature there for our Easter Sunday, but still a few spotty showers around if you're heading out for an Easter egg hunt there on Sunday morning. Then as we head into the next work week, we're looking at temperatures in the 70s with possibly some clearing on Monday, but then showers could return on Tuesday. So enjoy your Wednesday, enjoy the rest of your work week as we look forward to hopping into this Easter weekend. I'm meteorologist Matt Yarosewick. Thank you for checking in with the Campus Weather Service, and make sure to check back for all of our updates.
When you think about winter, cold and snowy comes to mind. Scenes like this across the nation are frequent during the winter months each year, although studies show average winter temperatures are on the rise nationwide. I recently sat down with Kyle Imhoff, the Pennsylvania State climatologist and a researcher at Penn State University, to ask him what kind of temperature trends he is seeing on a national scale.
So over the past 30 years, there's been an increase of about 2 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit nationally. And if you go back even farther than that, so if you go back into the late 1800s, early 1900s, it's about the same. That trend hasn't changed much, at least on a national level.
When asked if the warmer trend was directly related to greenhouse gas emissions into the atmosphere, Kyle stated it was a factor, but not the only factor. Geographical locations can also play a role.
Then I asked Kyle about the winter temperature trends he's seeing right here in Pennsylvania.
Yeah, so in Pennsylvania, over the past 30 years or so, we've seen an increase of about a degree Fahrenheit per century. So a couple of tenths of a degree Fahrenheit over the past 30 years or so.
The temperature trends in Pennsylvania are clear. As for average winter snowfall, that's a different story.
So it depends on where you're looking at. So a place like Erie, Pennsylvania, if you look at the trend over the past 30 or 40 years, even if you go back farther than that, they've actually seen a pretty substantial increase in their snowfall during the winter months, so December through February.
Now, Erie could be an outlier due to an increase in lake effect snow, but central and eastern Pennsylvania show slow decline in average winter snowfall. My final question to Kyle, how long will this warming trend persist?
That increased temperature trend looks like it's fairly consistent across different model projections, so we would expect to see a warming trend continue through the next few decades at least.
For Up in the Air, I'm Matthew Yarosewick.